2. What challenges will I face if I transition back to my natural hair? So I kind of addressed one of those challenges just now when I mentioned this dual textured hair. One of the challenges with this dual textured hair is having to protect it and having to maintain it and learn it, how it responds, because you're dealing with two. I know that for me it was quite challenging because my relaxed hair was so thin and damaged, whilst my new regrowth was so thick and full. I was like, how can I deal with both of these on the same head? How can my one head of hair have two different hairs? Do you know what I mean? That was one of the biggest challenges, and learning how to deal with that, because I was not ready to cut off the relaxed hair yet. I was holding on to that length. So one of the challenges in transitioning is how to care for these two textures, especially at the point where the relaxed hair or pre-transition hair meets the natural hair, because that is a very weak point. That's your weak spot, and that is a point that will be very prone to breakage because of the two different textures. It's going to be a point where you're going to have to be mindful to take care of, and so detangling or just generally styling, all of the things that would make up general maintenance of your hair, you're going to have to take into consideration that point in your hair, that point where the two textures meet.